welcome to One Perfect Angel. Today I'm doing part 2 of my squishy collection because I got some new squishies. Let's go. So first off, I have this Hello Kitty mini donut. I also have this strawberry bitten donut. I also have this chocolate donut. And I have this chocolate bitten donut. I also have this lemon bun. I don't know if you can see that, but that's like pretty slow rising. I also have this orange melon pan bun. I don't know if you could tell, so I'm just going to show you this way too. I also have a mini panda bun with a pink bow. And I have a yellow donut with rainbow sprinkles. I also have a yellow bubble donut with rainbow sprinkles. I have this mini macaroon squishy. And last but definitely not least, I have a ice cream squishy with cotton candy, strawberry ice cream, rainbow sprinkles, and a well done cone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!